Thank you for coming back to my channel for your stimulus check and stimulus package update. Please subscribe to my channel, leave your thumbs up, and please leave your comments. If you would, please share this video out. It would help me tremendously. Y'all, we got some breaking news. Take it for what it's worth. But first, I want to tell you about 3 other things here, that questions that I was asked on my comments, and then I will get into this breaking news. Somebody commented on my video yesterday, and it's something to think about. Their comment was 2 things to think about. 1, Black Friday sales. 2, Christmas sales. The economy tanks because no money equals no sales. That is so true. Something that I hadn't thought about, but maybe our voices can't get their attentions. Maybe Black Friday and Christmas sales will get their attention. Okay, and somebody else commented this, and it's something I didn't know, and I don't know if a whole lot of people knows it, but I want to share it with you. They said that the California governor is Nancy Pelosi's nephew. I did not know that. I hadn't checked on it to verify it. I'm just taking it for truth. But they said the California governor is Nancy Pelosi's nephew. So it made me think, this could be why she don't want a peace meal. She wants to give her nephew a lot of money to misuse in his state again. Okay, something I want to ask y'all. When this pandemic first started, if you remember, all the other countries in the world was fast to just give out stimulus checks to their people. And every month until the pandemic is over. Y'all, we live in the world's best country. And for 6 months, we only got 1 check for $1,200. I just can't understand the holdup on this and why they have to fight back and forth so much to help us when other countries help their people like that. I can't understand it. If you can understand it, please leave a comment and let me know why. For the life of me, I can't understand. Okay, the breaking news. President Donald Trump just said on Fox Business, when he was asked, would you raise your offer above $1.8 trillion? He said, yes, I would. This wasn't the people's fault. This was China's fault. Go home or go big or go home, is what he said. Then he started with all his finger pointing as usual by saying Nancy Pelosi don't want to give anything. She thinks this helps her election. She's holding up progress. While I believe that's true, I believe what he's saying is true, I just think we're past the time that they should have stopped all the finger pointing. There's enough blame to go around for all of them. Then he would ask, would you pick up the phone and call Nancy Pelosi? He said, sure I would, but she has mental problems. Okay, he said, sure I will, but then he backs it up with she has mental problems. So the truth is, no, he will not call her. Y'all tell me what you think about this. I think it's just a bunch of hot air, but I agree she does have mental problems. But they hadn't spoken over a year. It's time they speak. It's time they bury the hatchet as much as they can to help the American people. I know they hate each other. That's fine. Put that aside. Get the job done that they're getting paid to do. When I was working in the restaurants, there was a lot of people that I didn't like. But I had to work around that in order to keep my job. They're going to have to do the same thing. Let me know what you think in the comments, and just know I love you all, and I will see you tomorrow morning at 6 a.m. if nothing else happens today. Love you all. Keep your heads up. We will get through this with the faith in God and His healing hand. Please watch the video that's popping up now, and just know I love you all. Oh yeah, and one more thing. I did post a new video over on my food channel, so be sure and go check that out. In fact, I will post that video at the end of this one. Just be sure and watch that, and if you're not subscribed to that channel, please subscribe to it. I love you all. Ciao.